Living in Clermont means enjoying sunny days, warm weather, and the beauty of Central Florida. But it also means dealing with high humidity, sudden rainstorms, and hurricane season winds. Your home's doors play a major role in protecting against these elements while keeping your family comfortable and secure. Choosing weather-resistant doors designed for Clermont's climate ensures durability, energy efficiency, and peace of mind. Let's look at the best options for local homeowners. Fiberglass doors. Durable and low-maintenance fiberglass doors are one of the most popular choices for Clermont homes because they combine strength with style. Weather resistance. Fiberglass resists warping, swelling, and rotting, even in Florida's humid and rainy conditions. Energy efficiency. Many models feature insulated cores that help keep cool air inside during hot summers. Design versatility. Fiberglass doors come in wood grain finishes or sleek modern designs, so you can match your home's aesthetic without sacrificing durability. For homeowners who want a long-lasting option with minimal maintenance, fiberglass is a smart investment. Steel doors. Strength and security. If security is a top priority, steel doors are a reliable option. Built to withstand heavy impacts, they also perform well in harsh weather. Weather resistance. Steel doors are coated to resist rust and corrosion, making them suitable for Florida's moisture-rich environment. Insulation. Foam-filled cores enhance energy performance, reducing cooling costs. Affordability. Steel doors often cost less than wood or fiberglass, making them a budget-friendly yet sturdy option. Steel doors give Clermont homeowners both peace of mind and excellent protection from the elements. Impact-resistant doors. Hurricane-ready protection. Clermont isn't on the coast, but Central Florida still faces the strong winds and storms of hurricane season. Impact-resistant doors are specifically engineered to withstand flying debris and heavy gusts. Storm protection. Reinforced frames and laminated glass keep your entry secure during severe weather. Insurance benefits. Many insurers offer discounts for homes with impact-resistant features. Everyday safety. Along with weather protection, these doors also provide enhanced home security against break-ins. For homeowners concerned about storm preparedness, impact-resistant doors are one of the best upgrades you can make. Wood doors with protective finishes. Wood doors bring natural beauty and timeless appeal. While they require more upkeep in Florida's humid climate, modern finishes make them more resilient than in the past. Weather resistance. With proper sealing and regular maintenance, wood doors resist warping and moisture damage. Customization. Wood offers endless design options, from rich stains to intricate carvings. Insulation. Solid wood doors naturally insulate well, helping to maintain indoor comfort. Wood is best for Clermont homeowners who value traditional aesthetics and don't mind occasional upkeep. Storm doors. Added defense and efficiency. Pairing your main entry with a storm door is another effective way to boost protection. Extra shielding. Storm doors block wind, rain, and debris before they reach your primary door. Energy savings. They add an insulating layer that helps stabilize indoor temperatures. Flexibility. Many models feature screens for ventilation during Florida's cooler months. This extra layer of defense is especially valuable during heavy summer rains and stormy weather. Key features to look for. No matter which door style you choose, make sure it includes these weather-resistant features. Energy Star certification for maximum efficiency. Durable weather stripping to block drafts and moisture. Multi-point locking systems for stronger seals and added security. UV-resistant finishes to prevent fading in Florida's sunshine. Final thoughts. Clermont's hot, humid, and sometimes stormy climate demands doors that can handle it all. Fiberglass doors offer durability and style. Steel doors provide strength and affordability. Impact-resistant models deliver storm protection, and wood doors add timeless elegance with proper maintenance. Pairing your entry with a storm door gives you even more security and energy savings. By choosing the right weather-resistant door, you'll protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and enhance curb appeal, ensuring your Clermont home stays safe and stylish in every season.